Welcome to Neubids. Discover our geofencing feature. This is how we handle how your ads reach people on a granular level. Getting started is simple. Log into the Neubids Portal to access the Omni-Suite. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left side menu. Here you will click Add New Campaign. To get started, enter in your campaign name. Then select your advertiser as defined in the Settings Advertiser section on the home page. Choose a campaign type. Then create a schedule so that you can control the window of visibility. Select your budget and spending preferences. And finally, configure the frequency at which any single user sees your ad during the day. When you are ready, click Save and go to Ad Sets. Now to enter your ad set info. Configure which part of your daily budget is spent for this ad set. Now select App from the Environment Type section. Next, configure the Smart Bidding preference. Either let the system decide or set a CPM bid manually. Now, click Geofencing under the Location Targeting section to start. When the map is visible, select a point of sale name. Enter a business or place you would like to geofence. Let's choose a fast food restaurant to target customers that may want better coffee. You can find any number of registered businesses via the populated drop-down menu. You can choose the radius within which you want the ad to appear. This one should be as close to the building as possible. By setting it to 100 meters, only the building and its direct surroundings are targeted. Now click Add Zone. Now we can add a second zone. Maybe patrons of a popular coffee franchise will be interested in artisan coffee. Here, as the area is right in the middle of the city, we can set the radius higher. With that, at 500 meters, all the adjacent points of interest are also included. Click Add Zone to add this to your list of locations. Finally, we can also add a target with a larger scope. You can pinpoint any location directly on the map. Let's set this to 2 kilometers. This way we'll have max coverage on top of the precise locations we set earlier. Click Add Zone to also add this to your locations. Now you have 3 points for geofencing configured. To finish up, finalize your campaign by configuring your app bundle targeting, placement targeting, web placement targeting, audience targeting, and contextual targeting. You can also check to see if any deals apply to your campaign. Now select your creatives. You can generate new creatives, upload your own creatives, or select one from the ad library. In this case, let's use a banner we created earlier when discovering the AI HTML5 Studio. Preview your selection, and if everything looks good, then click Save and go to Review. Review your campaign overview, and when ready, click Start Campaign. And just like that, your geofencing campaign is live, wherever and whenever you want it. Everything you need, seamlessly integrated into one platform. Get creative with Neubids today.